After months of non-stop speculation, leaks, teaser rumors, blurred spy shots, background chatter from supply chains, music, and intense community discussions surrounding what many people casually referred to as DJI's so-called Mystery 360 drone, we finally have something concrete and visually compelling to analyze, and it fundamentally changes the entire conversation. Newly surfaced promotional images appear to reveal DJI's first true 360-degree FPV drone, now seemingly confirmed under the retail name DJI Avata 360, and these images are not rough mock-ups, early CAD renders, or conceptual sketches meant to test reactions. Instead, they are polished, studio-lit promotional visuals that strongly suggest DJI is far deeper into the launch cycle than most observers expected. This is especially significant because the source of the leak has an exceptional track record for accuracy with early DJI hardware, lending immediate credibility to the information and rapidly elevating excitement across the drone, FPV, and immersive content creator communities. When a company as secretive and methodical as DJI allows this level of visual detail to surface, it usually means the product is nearing completion rather than lingering in experimental limbo, which is why the reaction online has shifted from cautious curiosity to genuine anticipation almost overnight. What makes this development even more important is the broader industry context in which it arrives. Only a short time ago, the dedicated 360 drone category barely existed as a consumer concept until Insta360 surprised nearly everyone by announcing its own consumer drone project under a new sub-brand focused on so-called anti-gravity flight, music, with a tentative release window targeting January 2026. That announcement immediately sparked speculation that DJI, as the dominant force in consumer and prosumer drones, would not simply sit back and allow an entirely new category to form without competition. Unsurprisingly, industry chatter soon began hinting that DJI already had a competing product in development, one that had been quietly evolving behind the scenes for some time. Early whispers referred to it as the Mini 360 before the name gradually shifted toward what now appears to be the Avata 360, suggesting a deliberate decision to fold it into DJI's existing FPV lineup rather than launching an entirely separate brand. Judging by the clarity, branding consistency, and completeness of the leaked images, this is no longer a distant prototype or internal experiment, but a near-final consumer product that looks ready for official unveiling sooner rather than later. Visually, music. The Avata 360 maintains DJI's recognizable Cinehoop-style FPV design language, characterized by enclosed propellers, a compact footprint, and a focus on controlled cinematic flight, yet it is noticeably more refined and compact than the Avata 2. The contours appear smoother, the propeller guard slimmer, and the overall frame more sculpted, suggesting a lighter composite construction optimized for airflow, reduced drag, and improved efficiency. These design choices are not merely aesthetic. They could directly translate into longer flight times, sharper maneuverability in tight indoor or urban environments, and quieter operation, all of which matter enormously for cinematic FPV pilots, travel filmmakers, and immersive 360 content creators who often fly close to people, structures, or natural features. The most obvious and transformative feature, of course, is the dual-lens camera system mounted on opposite sides of the airframe, enabling full spherical 360-degree capture through overlapping fields of view that can be stitched seamlessly in post-production. Unlike traditional fixed dual-lens setups seen on handheld 360 cameras or earlier experimental drone concepts, DJI appears to have integrated this system into a protected, enclosed, rotating camera module that effectively combines elements of a gimbal with advanced electronic stabilization. This is a very DJI-like approach music, because it prioritizes durability and usability in real-world FPV conditions, where crashes, bumps, and hard landings are an unavoidable reality. By protecting the optics while still allowing tilt control, dynamic framing, and complex camera movement, DJI seems to be creating a hybrid experience that sits between raw, adrenaline-fueled FPV flight and highly polished cinematic capture. Earlier leaks suggest DJI may be leveraging imaging hardware similar to what it uses in its latest generation of 360 cameras, opening the door to potential 8K 360-degree video recording, advanced electronic image stabilization, horizon leveling, high dynamic range capture, and improved low-light performance, all without relying on an exposed mechanical gimbal that could compromise durability. If this proves accurate, it would represent a major leap forward for creators who want immersive footage without sacrificing robustness or ease of use. Beyond imaging, the leaked visuals reveal something equally intriguing along the front of the drone, where what appear to be dual LiDAR or depth sensing modules flank the camera housing. This signals a significant step forward for obstacle detection, spatial awareness, and autonomous flight assistance in the FPV category, an area where DJI has historically been more conservative compared to its camera drones. In one promotional render, DJI even depicts a translucent sphere surrounding the drone, likely representing real-time environmental mapping and collision avoidance coverage. This visual cue strongly suggests a hybrid sensing system that may combine LiDAR, vision sensors, and intelligent algorithms to create a protective awareness bubble around the aircraft. Such a system would be essential for enabling advanced features like ActiveTrack 360, subject locking, or automated follow modes while flying FPV, something that has never truly existed at this level before. One particular image showing the drone tracking a cyclist from behind strongly hints at intelligent follow functionality that works seamlessly with immersive goggles, blurring the line between autonomous drones and manually flown FPV systems, and potentially redefining how action sports and adventure footage are captured. The rear of the Avata 360 appears slightly elongated, suggesting space for a larger battery. And if DJI has managed to push flight time beyond the 20-minute mark while keeping overall weight low, music that alone would make this one of the most practical FPV drones ever built, especially for long takes, continuous action shots, travel content, and narrative sequences that benefit from extended airtime. The familiar top-loading battery design with a secure locking mechanism indicates DJI is once again prioritizing safety, quick swaps, and crash resistance, all critical considerations for FPV pilots operating in demanding environments. Control flexibility is another area where DJI seems determined to outperform emerging competitors, as the Avata 360 is widely expected to support both a motion controller for intuitive point-and-fly operation and a traditional dual-stick remote controller equipped with a built-in display, external antennas, and professional-grade controls. This dual-control approach gives users the freedom to choose between an accessible, immersive FPV experience with goggles and motion input, or precise manual control for complex flight paths, detailed cinematic framing, camera angle adjustments, and fine-tuned exposure settings. Music. This flexibility is particularly important for professional aerial filmmakers, YouTubers, and commercial operators who demand precision, repeatability, and creative control, while still appreciating the ease of use that motion-based flight can provide. Paired with DJI Goggles 3, the Avata 360 positions itself as a uniquely versatile platform capable of high-adrenaline FPV flight, smooth cinematic passes, and fully immersive 360 storytelling from a single compact drone. Early pricing rumors suggest a launch price around 5,000 Chinese yuan, roughly translating to about $700 depending on region, taxes, and bundled accessories, which would place it competitively in the consumer and prosumer market. If DJI manages to keep the takeoff weight under 250 grams, the Avata 360 could potentially fall into the least restrictive regulatory categories in many countries, a massive advantage for creators who want to fly legally with minimal licensing hurdles and fewer limitations on where and how they can operate. Taken together, All signs point to DJI preparing one of its most ambitious FPV releases yet, possibly launching before the end of the year, and well ahead of rival 360 drones expected in 2026, clearly signaling DJI's intent to dominate not only traditional aerial photography, but also the future of immersive spherical video capture. As if that were not enough, the same wave of leaks also provides a clearer look at the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6 music, with images revealing both the standard combo and the adventure combo, each tailored to different types of creators. The standard bundle appears to offer all the essentials needed to start shooting immediately, including the camera itself, a magnetic quick-release mount, battery, USB-C cable, curved adhesive mount, thumb screw, and anti-slip pads, making it ideal for everyday users and casual action shooters. The adventure combo, on the other hand, is clearly designed for travel vloggers, endurance shooters, and outdoor filmmakers, adding multiple batteries, a multi-slot charging case that doubles as a power bank, additional magnetic mounts, a telescopic grip for handheld or selfie-style shooting, and expanded mounting options, all wrapped around the same rugged matte-finished Action 6 body with a replaceable lens protector and DJI's universal Quick Connect mounting system. This ensures compatibility with existing accessories and makes upgrading straightforward for current users. With all these developments converging at once, it becomes increasingly clear that DJI is not slowing down, but accelerating toward a future where FPV flight, 360-degree video, intelligent tracking, and action camera ecosystems merge into a single creator-focused vision. This integrated approach has the potential to redefine how immersive content is captured, edited, and shared across platforms like YouTube and beyond, making this moment one of the most exciting and transformative periods in recent drone and action camera history.